Well, what is Gooch Gooch, beautiful beings? So I wanted to come on here because I was actually going to do my regular format of a video on talking about how our childhood trauma is not an excuse. And then as I'm going to start my day, you know, I had it all planned out, my week planned out. I was going to do more videos than I usually do because I have time to now. All of a sudden I run into a hiccup. The shower doesn't want to work. Water pressure's low. So, you know, it'll take a day for it to replenish itself. And I'm thinking like, wow, you know, the old version of me would have overreacted about that. Like, I got things to do. Why isn't things going my way? But this new version of me recognizes, what if my way is not the way? See, our world is so revolved around control. That's why we want to take control of our own lives. But the falsity that comes behind control is that when we make the decision to take the responsibility of our own life in our own hands, and we run into adversity, we think that the world is against us. When we think that the world is against us, we think that God is against us. I'm trying to make a plan. I'm trying to co-create with you, God. But you're not helping me. I'm coming against these tribulations. But what if the tribulations are helping you build character to change your perspective on maybe the end goal that you're trying to bring to fruition is not about you always producing. Maybe relief is the way. Maybe the new version of you has never experienced relief. So maybe you wanting to bring something to fruition requires that new version of you to feel relief and not thinking that you always need to overproduce, that you don't need to always overcreate. Why don't you allow yourself to feel inspired and allow yourself to inquire, rest, relaxation? You know, these past couple months have been a little bit of a setback for me. And I'm sharing this because I realize that I'm going through such a huge metamorphosis. And I know a lot of you guys are probably feeling that. But this week I had the opportunity to take time for myself and really enjoy life. Like I said, I woke up this morning and I had everything ready. I was going to be consistent. I was going to make things happen. And I was really going to put myself first and really take that action. But then running into that little hiccup, I realized, in my morning meditation when I woke up, because instantly when I wake up, I go into a visualization and then I go into my meditation and my prayer. And I started to realize, what if my end goal is not to bring something to fruition and to get myself in an inspired state to be able to have energy to create? But what if I can just feel good and enjoying how the covers feel over me? Enjoy how comfortable this pillow feels. Enjoy how comfortable I am right now. What if I don't have to rush into doing this video and enjoy this morning scenery right here? What if I could really just be thankful right now and just allow the inspiration to come to me? And I was writing in my journal and all of a sudden, boom, now I'm here making this video. Even though I was planning on doing my whole production, setting up my camera, setting up my light like I usually do, looking better, looking nicer, presentable. But then I realized, you know what? This feels inspirational. This feels good. This feels right. And maybe that's my surrendering. That's my relief. You know? Just because I can't take a shower and look good doesn't mean I can't not share a golden nugget with the world just by my state of relaxation and my state of surrendering, my state of trust. So this is going to be a short video, but I plan on doing more this week. And I want to start out with sharing with you guys, as I already shared with you, allow the hiccups to come through. Embrace the fact things don't go your way. If you can get yourself to a state of realizing that you're okay that things don't go your way, what if that is the only way to bring about what you want? What if your way is not the best way? But what if your way of trusting and letting the universe know, hey, I believe this is going to happen, but not in my way, and you're okay with that? Then allow yourself to be surprised how your day starts, how your day goes, how your day moves without you needing to put a hand on it. And then when you feel inspired to put your hand somewhere, all of a sudden you feel like what you touch turns to gold. And be like, I wasn't expecting that. Like yesterday, I went to the store and I was going through my list of what I needed, and all of a sudden things were there. Boom, boom. Like I was forgetting, don't forget to get water. Boom, a whole aisle of the water that I usually get. It's right there. Usually they're always sold out, but it was right there. A ton of them. And I got what I needed. And everything was just moving so smoothly, on time, and it felt so nice. And my nervous system has never felt so calm, never felt so trustworthy, never felt so loyal to trusting that there's still goodness, there's still guidance, there's still something above me that really wants the best for me. But how much can I allow my nervous system to be a calm system? How can I allow myself to not always be in control and just get tired of control? So that's my message for you today. Get tired of control. As he's excited. As that's a confirmation. Get tired of control. Get tired of wanting things to go your way. And start embracing how what if things not going your way is for you to enjoy a new way in order for you to see how the new version of you can allow things to happen for you without you needing to do all the work. Other than that, you guys, I'm over there for you. And I hope that this message has brought some sort of clarity and confirmation to allow things to pummel, allow things to fall, allow things not go your way. And just see how much can you build your character to not allow your physical circumstances to dismantle your spirit, but you can feel so relaxed and so relieved that damn, all my problems are solved. So why do I need to keep trying so hard? All the things that I want, they're already solved. They already happened. So how can I feel at ease right now and enjoy what's in front of me? And then through that, allow myself to be surprised. Allow myself to get excited of the unknown. And let's see how things turn out for you. Other than that, you guys, I'm going to leave it there. Stay healthy, stay blessed, stay blissful, and just know you're always on the right path and things are happening for you, not to you. Only love.